You know, you can share jokes with stickers and like we love that. That's our humor.
So there are days where Pashmina and me only talk with stickers.
Yeah.
What's the WhatsApp group called?
We can't say.
You can't
say.
And I have been extremely lucky to have gotten the kind of love I have.
Yeah.
I think now it would be really stupid of me to go back and start fearing the love from a place that I've received and wanting to get out of it.
Yeah.
I am very, very grateful. There is absolutely no fear in my mind that I will get typecast.
So now when I look back at that journey, which was tough, it was very tough, like everyone's journey is. I think every actor's journey is extremely tough. So I don't want to make it sound very like mellow and sad. But today when I sit here and I look back at that and I'm looking at everything which is happening in our lives right now, it's all worth it, you know, it feels amazing.
Hello everyone, this is Aina and welcome to Instant Bollywood. आज का interview is super exciting because I have the young energy with me today. Rohit Sarwar, Sanjay Brandon, Naila.
Young energy.
Nice to be here.
So excited, love the trailer.
Thank
you.
Very refreshing to see a rom-com, a college, a young vibe happening all over again after a very, very long time.
Yeah.
Thank you.
And I
thank
have
you, thank you.
Ishq, watched it on
A
repeat
gazillion
over
times,
years.
all of us have.
So that's great, but you know, I want to start off by asking that आप चारों में ना unity काफी है. At least off camera, like whatever I've seen during the trailer launch or even the promotions, there's a lot of masti, which is very difficult because at the end of the day, you all are also, given the same platform. How have you all managed to, have that unity, that chemistry, besides knowing that, you all are here to make a career?
I think because essentially we all believe that even though we're starting together, I feel like we truly believe that we can coexist without having to, or without wanting to kill each other, without wanting to outdo one another. And I think even when we're in a scene together, I think the idea is to ensure that the scene is lifted off of the paper and only elevated by giving each other the kind of energy one would want, from their co-actor.
Right.
So that's what I truly believe.
Yeah, I think we all think of each other as a team. So we're not here come as individuals. Of course, we are individuals, but we're a team first. So it's the film first, and it is
something
just
of-
like
correct,
naturally, and it just when you think of it like that, then you naturally are working towards the same goal.
Correct.
And it doesn't hurt that our humor matches. all of us have the
This is
same
something
sense
our
of
producer
humor.
Jaya says a lot, that it's always the film first and then you.
Yeah,
It's
exactly.
always that. So I think that is a thing that we went in with, but also, correct me if I'm wrong, but once we got onto set also, I personally love shoots which have an outdoor schedule because then you actually get to live
Yeah.
with each other for
Yeah.
a month. So for that 1 month, we're so disconnected from our actual world that we're only relying on each other.
Yeah, that happens.
And really, looking out for one another because I think we're all we have.
Yeah.
So
Thankfully, we have been also the fact that we're the same age group. Our humor aligns. The kind of food we like eating aligned till a while until Rohit got on a strict diet. So did Pashmina.
I've been on my diet for a bit.
Yeah. But prior to that, food
Rohit is making his birthday.
food
He's in that
was
I'm in
a similar
that
love.
phase.
Yeah, food was a similar love. Humor is similar. The love for stickers exists.
Oh God.
Yeah,
Our
the
stickers.
stickers that you send on WhatsApp.
On WhatsApp.
They are
Oh,
the
those- yeah.
leaders
I
of
have
that
a very,
group.
I have a special
Tell
thing.
them about the Powerpuff Girls one which you just
So you all put each other's faces on those stickers?
No, not at all.
Some have Rohit.
Some have Rohit doing
No, we like, you can share jokes
Actually.
with stickers and like, we love that. That's our humor.
So there are days where Pashmina and me only talk with stickers.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's the WhatsApp group called?
We
No,
can't
no, no, no,
say
no.
it.
No, no, you can't, no,
We
you
can't
can't, no.
say it. We
Welcome.
can't
Earlier
say
it
it.
was called Ishq Vishk Rewind, but we recently
I
after
want the
our
WhatsApp group.
No,
We can't-
recently
we can
after
show it to you,
our
but we can't say it.
Welcome to
see that's
Something.
the
Sajjanpur.
sticker
Okay.
that we use a lot. But
You can't show it to the camera?
No,
No,
Arey,
I don't
the
We'll be
wala
cancelled.
sticker. I will show you what the group is called, but you can't obviously say
Yeah,
it on
don't say
camera.
it.
There's a story
पता चला
behind
हमारी
it
unity.
too.
There is a story
But
behind
we
it.
can't say it on camera
No,
here.
I kind of figured.
No,
I
but
don't know
there's
if
a
I'm thinking right.
Yeah, you're right. You're
If
right.
your mind went there, you're
Yeah, my
thinking
mind
right.
went bad.
But there is a story behind it which we will share with you. A very unfortunate story.
What
I
did
There was
must
one more
say.
name which my friends didn't allow me to keep. The other one.
Yeah, that to no way.
Yeah, but getting back, also I want to add one thing. I think each of us are very secure in our own space.
Yeah,
like,
so
we are comfortable.
Rohit, for you, what I want to know is that, you know, with the whole mismatched vibe and the chocolate boy, are you worried somewhere? I think we even spoke about this the last time कि कहीं ना कहीं वो stereotype हो जाता है industry में, and you might not be able to step out of the box. Of course, there's Vikram Vedha and a lot of other films that you've done like Dear Zindagi and all of that. But still, the maximum love that you receive is as Rohit the chocolate boy. So is that your fear? And Pashmina, for you, you know, of course, with the whole coming from a film background, I'm sure you've been asked this multiple times today, but the honest truth is that it's brutal out there. We've seen it happen recently. It's just scary. No matter how much you prepare yourself, वो नहीं होता है. Gibran, for you, I want to understand that, you know, where were you all this while and what took you that long to, you know, come to the movies? And for you, Naila, I want to understand that, you know, we've seen your work and you've done all different sorts of, this is a very different role that we are seeing you in. Do you think that this platform or Ishq Vishk will, like, you know, surpass everything that you've done before, even though those roles are more meatier?
Aina, thank you so much for your question. I think there are two parts to it. One is, you know, it's a very conscious choice of wanting to be a part of the films and the shows that I've done. Show rather that I've done. My preferred genre is romance and rom-com and coming of age and slice of life.
Us too.
It's thank you. Good. I'm glad. No, so it's a very conscious choice that I've made over the years that I've wanted to be a part of these kind of films and play these kind of characters. And I have been extremely lucky to have gotten the kind of love I have.
Yeah.
I think now it would be really stupid of me to go back and start fearing the love from a place that I've received and wanting to get out of it.
Yeah.
I am very, very grateful. There is absolutely no fear in my mind that I will get typecast. Because in all honesty, while I love this space, like you mentioned, I've already done work like Vikram Vedha and I'm continuing to do that. It's just that the one thing that I have done, it's only one thing that's come out, the rest of them haven't released yet. The projects that I've been a part of, they will release in future, and when you do see it, you will realize that I'm not just trying to do this, but I'm also trying to do different parts. For example, Ludo. Ludo was a very different part. It wasn't a romantic chocolate boy kind of a part at all.
Yeah.
It was in fact a very strange, underconfident underdog kind of
It was
part.
amazing.
Thank you. So I've done parts like that. So I feel very confident in my choices and not. While there is so much uncertainty about whether we'll get more projects or not, whether what our career is going to look like, what I am very, very certain of are my choices. So that's not a fear that I have at all.
Okay, so I do understand that there will be a lot of eyes on me in that sense because I do come from a prominent family, and yes, then there will be privilege. Even though I did give many auditions, even though I faced many rejections, I do understand the privilege that comes with my name. I do understand, like it's easier said than done that you will also be faced with certain comments.
You're gonna prove the haters wrong.
I hope so. I really hope so. And I'll work harder and harder and harder.
Yeah. Long way to go.
Yes, long way to go.
You know, I'm getting the student of the year vibe where like Varun, Alia and Siddharth, and then 10 years later I'm going to meet you guys and you all
Oh
will be like
God.
these superstars.
I hope. आपके मुंह में घी शक्कर.
What about
Gulab jamun, chocolates.
yeah.
Ferrero Rocher.
Yeah. So Aina, yeah, it's been a while.
Yeah.
Since I have worked on celluloid. But yeah, I've taken my time. There have been rejections. There have been things which I have also said no to. But I feel there's a project written for you, I feel, and I think Ishq Vishk was written for me. This was the right way to start, and I think maybe if I would have done something before this, it may have not created that much of an impact in my life, like creatively as well. I'm very blessed to have this. So now when I look back at that journey, which was tough, it was very tough, like everyone's journey is. I think every actor's journey is extremely tough. So I don't want to make it sound very like mellow and sad, but today when I sit here and I look back at that and I'm looking at everything which is happening in our lives right now, it's all worth it, you know. It feels amazing. We have an amazing producer, Ramesh ji, Jaya ji on board, and we have an amazing director called Nipun sir, and then I have these people who've just helped me, you know. I feel creatively feel so satisfied with my job.
I don't like to kind of create a comparison between the work I do. Firstly, each and every project and character that I take up are so so distinct from one another that I feel like pitting them against one another is just diluting the power that they hold on its own. When I talk about Mamla Legal Hai, it's been a very important project for me because it's firstly it's a series. That means you're putting in a lot more hours, you know, of work, and people are seeing you for a set number of episodes that equates to a couple of films if we just see it in terms of the minutes and the duration. That being said, Ishq Vishk Rebound is such a new space for me. I haven't done something in this romantic comedy zone. I'm a quintessential Bollywood girl. I love the fact that I can be standing on, you know, a rock and singing to my lover with my hands, you know, going with the wind. I just feel very blessed to be doing a part that the Naila within, the little girl who always wanted to be in the movies, I'm satisfying that.
Really looking forward to it. And
Speak so beautifully.
Yeah.
Thanks, girl.
Really looking forward to Ishq Vishk Rebound. I'm going to jump into a small game where I
We
have...
love games.
Yeah. So it's a relationship game, of course.
Of course.
Of course.
So we're going to have two teams. You can pass on these 3 cards to them.
Okay.
And these 3 cards are for you all. So of course the block is block. The love is
Sorry,
like...
which is block?
Block is
This is
block.
This is block.
Oh,
Yeah.
this is share,
like
and
Rohit.
this is love.
Yeah, that's DM actually.
Okay, DM.
Okay.
So I'm going to give you situations and you have to tell me if you would go for a partner like that or no. Okay.
And we have to do it together.
So what does DM mean then?
So basically, block is red
Yeah.
flag, like is green flag, and he was like maybe you can consider
deal.
this. Like you
DM.
can just try.
Okay, fine.
Like maybe
DMing
a
the person
DM
and figuring them
just,
out.
Yeah, suss it out.
Yeah. Okay. So if your partner wants you to become a vegetarian just because they are, mean guys.
I love the
But-
speed with
Obviously.
which Gibran
Are you
did
a
that.
vegetarian?
Yeah.
See, that's
No,
why.
it's
She's
not-
saying so mean.
See,
Yeah.
it's not about veg or non-veg. If your partner wants you to change something
something.
about
Yeah.
yourself to be with them, that's a
Big
That's
no.
a
Yeah, yeah. And that also khana. Like, मुझे
Not
मत
happening.
बताओ क्या मैं
Yeah,
खाऊं और
like
क्या नहीं
something-
खाऊं.
Okay, अगर आपका partner ज़्यादा tech savvy नहीं है, doesn't know much stuff what's going on.
No,
on
that's
Instagram.
okay. It's
That's
sweet. It's very sweet. I don't
See?
think I'm very tech savvy.
You're
Okay.
pretty tech savvy, dude.
No, like sometimes I
You're-
mess up.
You're with the time.
Okay.
If your partner posts a lot of thirst traps on Instagram, would you be okay with it?
I know. It's because you and I are both.
Arey, my
doing it
partner, I
together
don't
to
want
do
to
this.
do.
But I would say it's a block.
But I am allowed.
It is a block.
Okay, then.
Yeah.
What?
It's a block?
Yes.
Why?
Who are you thirst trapping?
Yeah.
But then even you can, what if you're posting thirst traps on your partner?
But we
doesn't
can't have
like-
double standard, no? Then we won't.
Acha,
if
you
we're
also
saying-
won't
I
post
don't.
thirst traps.
No, for example, if no, I'm not talking about myself. I'm just saying like Gibran posts a lot of selfies, right? Now to me that just might be Gibran posting a selfie, but maybe for Pashmina it's a thirst trap.
Yeah.
So it's just
I think okay. Let's be clear. I feel like thirst traps can be of different kinds. Example, like I don't think selfies are thirst traps.
Yeah, I know.
Shirtless pictures,
So see,
bikini
that's a
pictures.
difference.
I'm talking about that.
Okay, you know what?
Really?
Maybe
I have not seen
maybe
these
it's not a
selfies.
block.
No.
Maybe
I
it's
wouldn't
like we
say,
can
yeah.
talk about it.
Yeah, let's
I think it's
figure.
okay.
Let's
No,
figure
I mean okay.
DM me, Pashmina. It's okay.
Okay, yeah,
DM
sure.
me.
Yeah, let's figure this out.
We'll figure this out.
I mean, I'm just thinking about it from my own perspective. Like if I want to post a picture like
I'm
that,
suddenly unsure of whether.
because you know, in another interview, I think I've said block, but I go back now. I'm thinking maybe that was not the right answer.
Maybe you will only
Maybe
post
this.
the first trap. And then
She
your
does
partner
post
might
those
have
She
to.
posts blogs.
So stuff
I
all
do
the
not.
time.
Oh my God, you'll have me.
Only
Hindustan.
one is the
Yeah.
first trap.
I think
As though you don't.
Me.
Yeah.
First step.
Yes. Go read your
दिखाइए.
comments.
Yeah.
अरे
अरे बोलती बंद हो गई ना.
Rohit, your thirst traps are very different
you don't
compared
even
to
need to be
us.
shirtless for them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
हमको कोशिश करनी पड़ती है भाई. Yes, agreed, agreed. Well said, Naila.
Next one, if your partner roasts you a lot in public, बहुत मजाक उड़ाता है.
Publicly, block. Go
Block?
home.
I mean, if it's
It
something
depends.
that
No, it
is
depends.
like
If my friends and all, it's like.
if it's an insecurity of mine, then block.
Yeah.
Otherwise, no.
Otherwise, if it's
It's
like
okay,
in,
it's sweet.
if it's in like good spirit and stuff, then sure.
Okay, if your partner is a workaholic and you like that but doesn't have time for you.
Still,
It's
अरे
nice.
Calm.
Gibran's like
Calm is.
calm is everything.
Important.
yeah.
I feel like one can discuss it and figure.
We can talk about
Yeah,
it.
like okay, I know you're passionate about your work, but I need some time.
I need
Naila has DM. We need a discussion.
we need it. Okay. If your partner loves you but isn't very expressive.
I think it's a kind
Yeah,
of
sure.
situation.
Yeah, DM करूँ.
It's important.
Did this.
If your if your partner does not like desi food.
Oh my god.
अरे
What?
block.
Oh, that's
Block.
a block.
कल आना.
Fully.
Kal aana.
Kal
Yeah,
aana.
seafood you better like. Kal.
If your partner has cheated on their ex, would you judge them for their present?
No.
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 Can't
So
judge
how do I
people.
do what? There is no like.
Like no, you
But
can't
you know
like
what
it.
they say
Like
about
this.
once
There's a
cheater-
discussion. This is this only, no?
Once a
Yeah.
cheater, always. What is that?
Hey, that's not true.
Yeah.
That's not true.
I don't think so.
I
That's
feel
true.
like different time periods.
Why have you cheated?
No, but I've had my share of experiences. Now अभी सब बोल दूँगा तो हो गया अभी. But yeah, I've not cheated.
I
But I'm
also
saying
feel
that.
like when you're younger, you do silly things, and
Yeah.
when you grow older, and with hindsight, you know, you realize.
Why you've
that,
also cheated?
No. But I just feel like.
I feel like cheating.
मेरे दिल के तार बज बार बार मेरे दिल के तार. Sorry.
we can discuss
We
it.
can discuss it and it not happening again. Okay, if your partner is not very ambitious,
Oh, block.
No, yeah.
it's a turn off.
Yeah.
But they don't have a problem with you being ambitious.
No,
but
no,
they are
no. It's a
of
turn
course
off.
they-
Yeah.
But like no.
No, okay.
It's not.
You're saying, of course.
Like I'll only have to take care then. So,
Yeah.
Okay.
No, it's not about taking care. There's a deep thing to it. Like, but
Yeah, it's not just about the money that comes
Yeah.
in with the ambition. It's also
think it's
that
the
like you
EQ.
could be extremely ambitious but still not be in a position where you're making a lot of money. I don't think it's about the money and taking
Yeah.
care of each other. I think it's more to do with the fact that I find it very attractive and not just in a partner, like not just in a girlfriend, but like also
Anybody.
otherwise
Yeah.
in
100%.
life when I meet people, I find it really inspiring when they're driven and ambitious. So that is that.
Yeah.
Absolutely. If your partner watches a lot of cringy reality shows.
That's like
That's a
a.
hard.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
What is a cringy reality show you're
We
watching?
can't name it, but you know them.
Yeah.
A lot.
No, there are many, but
Yeah.
you all can't name.
No.
I'm looking at this tree. Okay. If your partner is not a pet lover,
Arey, block, delete.
you all have pets?
Delete.
I have a dog.
Pets.
Yeah.
I've had,
Okay, you've had pets. Okay.
She also
if,
has a dog.
I have a job.
if your partner prefers texts over calls,
Oh, that's okay.
If my partner
I mean, let's
prefers-
discuss it because I
who wants
Yeah,
to
I
keep
love
texting,
dogs.
but
Yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
Discuss.
Same.
Although I am a texter, so I'm okay with that.
Bॉयफ्रेंड के साथ भी खाना खाया I'm sleeping.
How you do everything on text?
I'm not saying everything.
Naila.
What is everything, Rohit?
Naila started blushing. Why is she blushing?
और रेड हो गया है.
okay, if your
Blind में
partner,
कुछ कहा है.
Rohit, I said you'll do everything on text. Nice.
if your partner expects you to make all the initiatives for plans and
Oh, that's a block.
It's a lot of pressure, यार.
No, wait. It's like you have a conversation.
No,
about it.
block. Boys rock. Block.
No, you talk.
you talk.
Me too, I also
Fair.
think so.
Okay, has liked their friend's partner in the past, just like the movie. Would you judge?
मंजे Say again.
If your partner has actually ditched a friend in the past.
No, I would say.
I don't understand the question.
Wait, I didn't
I
understand.
didn't understand the
So,
question.
for example, keeping the movie in mind,
They've gone to their best
if
friend's
you
girl.
had to, if
Or
your partner
boy.
had ditched their best friend
their
with their
girlfriend.
partner.
Bro
That's
code.
God, what?
Yeah, bro code toda
No,
hai.
Bro
it's just like
code
just
toda hai.
showing,
Then
saying
it's a
something about
block.
you.
Yeah.
It
Would you
is,
judge them?
Yeah,
course.
definitely.
But if they cheat on their partner, then like that time you all didn't judge them.
Huh?
No, but this is a bro code that is being
Okay,
broken.
that's
I'm so
harder.
lost.
That's harder.
Okay, I answered.
मैंने सिर्फ ब्लॉक कर दिया है मुझे
Okay,
समझ में
has
नहीं
too many best friends from the opposite sex.
Oh no, that's okay.
That's okay.
Sometimes people have a problem with it.
Yeah, I would.
Depends how my partner also is.
Too many boyfriends, too many girlfriends.
That's okay in
It's
my
okay.
opinion. It's
I
good
mean,
to have friendship.
it's fine.
So.
Trust यहाँ पर मैटर करता है ना.
Trust.
So like
Yeah. Okay, if your partner likes showing off,
no.
Block.
you turn off.
What is she showing off? But
partner,
me then like no.
No, she's showing off whatever she has, whatever that is.
If it's you who's being shown off,
Off yeah.
No,
then
not the partner, but what they have. Okay. If the guy or the girl is a green flag, but the family is a red flag.
Oh, that's really sad.
for that I have to do a Suraj Barjatia film. So I don't know. What is Rohit doing?
Okay, if
DN?
your partner, would you
He's
go?
calling you Suraj.
If your partner's got a very high body count.
a very high.
Body count.
You mean murder?
They've
no.
been
Oh,
with
he's
many
not
people.
allowed.
Body
It's
count?
fine.
Many people.
He's on
It's
another
fine.
planet.
What did he say?
Murder.
It's fine.
Yeah, I mean, if that's
No
your
judgment.
past.
Yeah.
As long as you don't continue to have body counts
Yeah.
with
Yeah.
me, I think it's fine.
Okay.
Which includes murder.
Murder.
Okay. Lastly, if your partner gets extremely oversensitive for a lot of things, like even if you're joking or you're just
अब
there's
इस-
just so much to talk about.
अब इसका क्या ही बोलूं मैं?
That's
Talk
me.
about it.
जनता का वोट
Which
जनता
how that comes from.
Yeah, that's true.
जनता का वोट.
That's a nice one. But Naila has a lot to talk about.
No, I
You've not figured that?
You know, in the beginning also, I like how Gibran was holding like and block and she was holding maybe.
चलो डिस्कस करते हैं.
everything.
Let's discuss everything.
Discussion.
But Kashmir and Gibran have been like block.
Yeah.
Don't waste my time.
We have our facts right, like a block. There's nothing in between.
John has said both. And he said, Janta
जनता decide करो.
Awesome. But thank you so much.
No, ask
guys.
us one two more. We are enjoying it.
Enjoying it.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
I'll ask you one more.
I want to block.
Rishti, now you're
इसकी बोल रही है अरे क्या कर रहा है भाई?
Rishti Singh.
Okay, last I'll ask for Gibran, okay?
Okay.
If your partners had like a lot of situationships but never really committed.
What is situation means fucking?
That's telling.
Matlab keeps you in a grey space.
Fucking.
That's telling.
Same.
Okay, if your partner steals a lot of your clothes.
अरे block यार.
What?
Give it back.
You won't give your hoodie.
No, I want my clothes back.
That's cute.
Oh, that's fine. It's cute.
No, it's fine till they use it, but give it back also.
Has that happened with you?
Yes, block.
Like I said, I liked his jumper, and I was thinking I'll ask for it, but clearly not.
Clearly not.
Block.
That's why you keep asking where your jacket is.
Yeah, very good.
No, I just borrowed it today. Just to clarify.
Oh, you got the hint, Pashmina. Give it back.
Give it back.
Give it back.
But thank you so much, guys. All the very best for.
Aina, what's the name? What's the meaning of your name?
It means
Mirror park.
Guys, I know. Y'all are also. अरे यार.
Oh,
It means reflecting the truth.
it's still.
देखा?
Very nice.
Sweet name, sweet name, sweet
That's
you,
the
sweet
same thing I
name.
do when people ask me what Pashmina means. I say it means warm. But
It means
actually
shawl.
shawl.
Hi, I'm Pashmina. Yes. Thank you, Aina. Thank
Thank you.
you.
All the
so
very
much.
best, and I will see you guys super soon.
Thank
Arey,
you.
guys, 21st June, Ishq Wishq Rebound.
On a bound.
Yes, in a theater near you
And far away.
and far away.
Hi guys, we are the cast of Ishq Wishq Rebound. Our film releases on the 21st of June 2024 in
In
theatres
theatres
near
near
you.
you.
And
And
currently we are in conversation with
Aina from
Instant Bollywood.
So if you like this video,
Please
Like, share,
and
subscribe.